In today's video, I'm going to show you a formula that helps us calculate the current date in Microsoft Excel. So this formula is actually provided by default by Microsoft Excel, and we don't have to do any fancy calculations. But still, if you'd like to learn how to calculate differences between dates in Microsoft Excel, check out the video that I have linked in the description. It shows you exactly how to do that. But let's stick to the current topic and calculate the current date in cell E2. We're going to have to write equal, as with every formula in Microsoft Excel, and then write today, and this is the function that we're going to use that will get us the current date. Just like this message says over here, it returns the current date formatted as a date, which is a really useful function. We have to open parentheses and close them. We don't provide any arguments to this function, and when we hit enter, we get today's date, the 7th of February 2021. Now, if I were to save the file and open it tomorrow, I'll get the 8th of February and so on. So this formula actually gives me a real-time date every time I open the file, which could be really useful in many scenarios. And this is it. That's how you do it. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.